EQD2 and tumor control in the high-dose rate brachytherapy of the nasopharyngeal carcinoma. Purpose: the aim of this study is to evaluate the decrease of EQD2, biologically equivalent dose into Gray's fraction, with various overall treatment time, and its correlation with local control of tumor in the treatment of nasopharyngeal carcinoma, NPC. Materials and methods: a retrospective study was carried out on 69 NPC, stage 2, 3 and 4, treated with fractionated high-dose rate, HDR, brachytherapy boost. Following external beam radiation therapy and chemotherapy in the period from May 2009 to December 2015. External radiation therapy, EBRT, of all patients were given with a dose of 66 plus or minus 4.5 Grays into Grays per fraction. It was followed by HDR intraluminal radiotherapy, ILRT, after having a gap. The total EQD2 prescribed was 84.8, range 75.0, 102.8 Grays. Results: EQD2 lost per day in GY for the overall treatment time of 75, 150, 250 and 350 days are 0.04, 0.10, 0.12 and 0.13 respectively. Extra radiation dose required for maintaining the prescribed EQD2 for the overall treatment time of 75, 100, 150, 250 and 350 days are estimated as 2.7, 5.9, 12.1, 24.7 and 37.2 Grays respectively. The probabilities of disease recurrence within a median follow-up of 28 months, range 10 to 80 months, are expected as 0.06, 0.30, 0.62 and 0.94, p is equal to 0.05, for the above overall treatment time. The relative risk of local recurrence of stage 4 NPC patient is about 2.8 times higher than stage 3 and stage 3 patients is about 2.0 times higher than stage 2 patients. Conclusions: the increase of overall treatment time may be of different origin resulting in the fall of EQD2. It was observed that the recurrence of disease is more significant, p greater than 0.50, when the overall treatment time is above 100 days, where EQD2 lost becomes more than 0.07 Grays per day. Moreover, there is a significant decline of tumor control probability when overall treatment time reaches 150 days or more and the EQD2 lost is equal to or greater than 0.10 Grays per day. The relative risk of disease recurrence was observed highest with stage 4 patients, followed by stage 3 patients and least with stage INPC patients. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.